There are many Spectrum users who are getting this error message. If you are also getting this error message, then do not need to worry at all, because in this video I am going to give you the best solution. The first reason of this error message is that Spectrum servers are down. So they may be down, that's why they are getting this error message. If the pop-ups from the Spectrum website are disabled in the web browser, then this error message may come. If any user's information like username, password or anything else is wrongly entered or corrupted on the Spectrum server, then this error message can come. So first of all, you need to open spectrum.net and click on sign in. Enter your username and password and log into your account. After logging to your account, you need to click on this option, site settings. Then you will get an option of security and privacy. Click on this option, and therein you will get an option of pop-up and redirect. Herein you need to click on allow and simply save the changes. Make sure to log in to your Spectrum account using any other web browser as well, like Firefox or Microsoft Edge. Secondly, you can reset the username and password for your Spectrum account. You can again go to the Spectrum's website and click on create a username. Now click on account information. Herein you need to enter your account number and security code, and then follow the online instruction to create your new username that will refresh your old username and password. You can also go to sign in option, and herein you can click on forget your username or password and try to reset your password with your phone number, email ID or username or zip code. You can simply reset your password and then try to log in again, and that will definitely resolve this issue. If you still face any problem, you are free to comment below and I will definitely give you reply. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.